Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Listening Practice channel. Today, we are going to talk about weather. This is a very common topic, but also very interesting. We will learn what weather is, how it is created, different types of weather seasons, and how weather affects our daily lives. Let's begin. Part 1. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the air around us at a specific time and place. When we say the weather is good, or the weather is bad, we are talking about things like temperature, wind, rain, and clouds. For example, if the sun is shining and the sky is blue, we say the weather is sunny. If there are many clouds, we say it is cloudy. If water falls from the sky, we call it rain. Weather can change very quickly. In the morning, it might be cold, but in the afternoon, it can become warm. Sometimes it can rain for a short time and then stop, and the sun comes out again. Part 2. How is weather created? Now let's talk about how weather is created. The most important factor is the sun. The sun gives energy to the earth. When sunlight reaches the earth, it heats the land and the water. When the air becomes warm, it rises into the sky. Cooler air moves down to replace it. This movement creates wind. Water is also very important. When the sun heats water in oceans, rivers, and lakes, the water turns into vapor. This process is called evaporation. The water vapor rises into the sky and becomes clouds. When the clouds become heavy, water falls as rain. If the temperature is very low, it can fall as snow. So weather is created by the interaction between the sun, air, and water. Part 3. Types of weather. There are many different types of weather. Sunny weather is when the sky is clear and bright. People usually feel happy on sunny days. Rainy weather happens when clouds release water. Rain is important for plants and animals. Windy weather means that air is moving quickly. Sometimes wind is soft and gentle, but sometimes it is strong and powerful. Cloudy weather is when the sky is covered with clouds. It may feel cooler than sunny weather. Snowy weather happens in cold places. Snow covers the ground and makes everything white. Stormy weather includes strong wind, heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. It can be dangerous. Part 4. Seasons and weather. In many countries, there are 4 seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Spring is usually warm and fresh. Flowers grow and trees become green. Summer is hot and sunny. People often go to the beach or travel during this season. Autumn is cooler. Leaves fall from the trees and the weather becomes windy. Winter is cold. In some places, it snows. People wear warm clothes like coats and jackets. Each season has different weather, and people change their activities depending on the season. Part 5. Weather in daily life. Weather affects our daily lives in many ways. First, it affects what we wear. On hot days, we wear light clothes. On cold days, we wear warm clothes. Second, weather affects what we do. On sunny days, people go outside, walk in parks, or play sports. On rainy days, people often stay inside and relax. Third, weather affects travel. Heavy rain or snow can make roads dangerous. Flights can be delayed because of bad weather. Farmers also depend on weather. They need rain for crops, but too much rain can be harmful. Part 6. Extreme weather. Sometimes weather becomes extreme. Extreme weather includes storms, floods, heat waves, and very cold temperatures. A storm can bring strong winds and heavy rain. A flood happens when there is too much water. A heat wave is a long period of very hot weather. A cold wave is a period of very cold weather. These conditions can be dangerous, so people need to be careful. Part 7. Weather and climate. Weather is not the same as climate. Weather is what happens today or tomorrow. Climate is the average weather of a place over many years. For example, a country can have a hot climate, but one day it might be cool. That is weather, not climate. Part 8. Why is weather important? Weather is very important for life on Earth. Plants need sunlight and water to grow. Animals depend on weather for food and shelter. Humans plan their daily life based on weather. Weather also affects our mood. Many people feel happy on sunny days and a little sad on cloudy days. Part 9. Talking about weather. Daily conversation. People often talk about weather in daily conversations. For example, nice weather today, isn't it? It's very hot today. I think it will rain later. The weather is getting colder. Talking about weather is a simple way to start a conversation. In conclusion, weather is a natural and important part of our lives. It changes every day and is created by the sun, air, and water. We experience different types of weather and seasons, and they all affect how we live, work, and feel. Understanding weather helps us prepare for the day and stay safe. Thank you for listening. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.